Hello, hello. Wow, this one is park. Oh, so that is the swimming pool. Oh, barad daw, barad. Oh, barad daw, barad. Oh, very nice. Here in the front. Yan, I think that one is the house, farmhouse. So you see, the farmhouse. Grabe, puro plantation sa puro fruits. Kaya ngayon nga lang, it's very far away. Ayan. Because we can just come here once. That's why make video muna. Oh, you see? We can make the video. Huh? Where is your pack bag? Nice, Sarah sa. Oh, I make video because once lang we punta. Ayan si Sarah. Oh. Ayan. Orange yan yata. Oh, mga orange. Wala lang tanim. Okay. Okay na, Yela. Bye-bye. So, dito. Busy na yung children.